Hello guys, welcome to the part 22 of the surprise move series. Okay, let's start. So the question is white to play, and I will just give you one hint before you go. Whoever knows the smothered mate, and especially the most common occurring pattern of the smothered mate with the fundamentals and the requirements, mean what all are the things what you require to get that pattern worked. If you know that too, then you will get this puzzle quite easily. But those who doesn't know that, then it will be a problem for you. So it would be a quite surprising answer and something what you would not have expected. So let's go ahead and start the puzzle. Yeah, if you get the puzzle in just 1 or 2 minutes, it's really great, and you know the smothered meter well, and you can just whoever gets that in just 1 to 2 minutes, make sure to comment your name below. Okay, so I will know that how many of you got it so quickly. Yeah, let's go ahead, and you are white, start thinking. So just pause the video and start thinking. And now I am telling the answer. Yeah, see, before just telling the answer, I will just give you idea what the smothered mate is. When your opponent king or your king, any of the king, blocks himself from all the sides and covers himself from all the sides by his own pieces. Okay, and then opponent's knight just goes and gives him a check, and it's a checkmate, and that is called as smothered mate. We will see it in the end over here when the position occurs. Okay, but there are some of the most common occurring patterns, but for that what you need is actually a square over here, from where see, when smothered mate occurs in short castle, at that time king is over here, so you need your queen active attacking on this diagonal and a knight supporting over here. Okay, now in this puzzle actually the position has been reversed and it is almost equivalent to the same thing. Okay, and the king is also just a square behind, but that is completely fine. Okay, the only thing is what has been put extra over here is just this rook and pawn, but it doesn't matter because it acts as a wall only, how the end of the board acts as a wall. Let's start and see the answer. The pattern is going to be the same, and the requirements over here are that a knight should again we had a requirement, knight should control over here. We have a similar requirement, controlling over here and attacking the corner square, and also queen attacking the f7 square too. Over here in this situation f7 square, and over here in this situation d7 square. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead. What white played was knight d7 check, and all the moves are forced moves. You will see it very you will see it surely that all the moves are so completely forced move. Black doesn't even get a single chance, okay, to do something of his wish or of any of his option. Just white plays knight d7, the king moves away, it is a forced move, he doesn't have any option. And the next move comes, first move, maybe many of you would have guessed, but what is the next move? I know many of you would be thinking to get some profit out of it by giving a discovered check to play knight e5. We will play knight e5 and just the king will run away somewhere and we get the queen. Yes, sir, we won. We are getting a lot of profit. Wrong. Why? Because the correct answer is a bit different. The best mover here is knight b6 check. Now, if king comes out, there is a checkmate immediately on queen d7 because knight is supporting over there. So king is forced not to go out and instead he is forced to go in. And now again another surprising move. First surprise and the second surprise. What should be the next move? Even if you don't get the full answer, just think if you get this thing in the 30 seconds next, then still you should comment. You just tell me who all got the answers. Final two moves in just next 30 seconds from now. Yeah. So what should be the next move what white should play? Now, many of your intention, sir, we will lose the knight. We will lose the knight. Forget about the knight. You focus to take the king, not saving your knight. Okay. Now, what is the idea of smothered mate to get up, cover the opponent's king from the all the squares? So just from the all these four squares are covered. Just ensure how to cover up the last open square. Bring some of his piece over there forcefully. So the correct idea is to play queen c8 and with the support of the knight check. Okay, so now what happens is the king is in check and the knight is a queen is well supported by knight. The king cannot kill it and opponent black is forced to kill with the rook. And now as we are successful in completely getting the king covered by his own piece, now we just play a knight d7 again and it's a silly checkmate. Okay, so it's called a smothered mate when your opponent's pieces themselves cover up your opponent's king and you just give him a simple check and it leads to a checkmate over there. Okay, hope so you guys liked it and make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for the further parts and check out the whole surprise move series and short chess game series.